John, please, however much of a gap do you want on the horse, man? You're half a mile in front of them. Look, man.
Shout start in a minute, man. When they pass that there.
Slow down then, John.
Wait. Shout go.
Go.
John, slow down, John.
Come on.
She's up, boys. Or she put a bad break in. Bad break. She's gonna have to do some speed to catch him.
I think so, yeah. There's still a long race to go yet.
George, you timing?
But he got off. He got a pure break and walking in. He left him for near enough spot.
Horse is taking over, isn't he? Slow down, John! Well, she can't catch him, he's getting gap on all the time. He's pulling away from that mare, boys. He's pulling away from her. He's pulling away now.
Is he older than that?
How far have we done, John?
He's going to break 4 minute mark. He's going to break the 4 minute mark.
John, a mile.
He's going back. He's going to go back.
End of that Lavo's a mile.
If he would have ordered
Time.
If he ordered that
2526. What's it? 2526.
Yeah, I don't know. Break. That's all he needs now is one big back break.
What's the name of the game?
Fair race really done that.
Oh, I catch the
Oh, he's playing with her. He's playing with her. Time on the finishes, John.
When?
George, where's the finish? Where's the finish, John? Where?
No, there's a cone up here.
There's a cone up here, George. There's a cone up here.
She's catching it a little bit. He's slowing up.
What?
He's slowing up.
Pulling him in. He knows she can't catch him.
She's going to take him from there, boys, isn't she?
Hard road, isn't it?
He's catching the foot though.
George?
That's the end.
That's the end there, boys.